Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix missing sources and scenes in OBS Studio. This is a common issue that can disrupt your streaming or recording setup, but fortunately, it's pretty straightforward to resolve. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Scene Collection. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Import. This option allows you to bring in previously saved scene collections that might contain your missing sources and scenes. After clicking Import, a new window will appear. In this window, you'll notice a field called Collection Path. Next to this field, you'll see three dotted lines, which is the Browse button. Click on these three dotted lines to open your File Explorer. This is where you'll navigate through your computer to locate the specific OBS Studio files that store your scene collections. Now, you'll need to browse through your computer files to find where OBS Studio is saved. This could be in various locations depending on how you initially set up the software. Check common locations like Documents, Downloads, Desktop, or any other custom folder where you might have saved your OBS Studio data. Once you locate the OBS Studio folder, double-click on it to open it and access its contents. Inside the OBS Studio folder, you'll see several subfolders. Look for one named Basic and double-click on it. This folder contains the core configuration files for OBS. Within the Basic folder, you'll find another folder called Scenes. Double-click on the Scenes folder to open it. This is where all your scene collection files are stored, and it's the key location for recovering your missing sources and scenes. In the Scenes folder, you should see a file named Untitled or something similar, depending on what you named your scene collection previously. Click on this file to select it, then click the Open button in the bottom right of the file browser window. This tells OBS which scene collection file you want to import back into the application. After selecting the file, you'll return to the Import window. In the bottom right corner of this window, click the Import button. OBS will now process the file and add your scene collection back into the application, which should restore your missing sources and scenes. Give it a moment to complete this process. Alternatively, if you're still having trouble seeing your scenes and sources after importing, there's another quick fix you can try. In the upper left corner of OBS, click on Docs. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Scenes. This ensures that the Scenes dock is visible in your workspace. Then, go back to the Docs menu again, and this time select Sources. This makes sure both your Scenes and Sources panels are properly displayed in your OBS interface, giving you full control over your setup. And that's it! Your missing sources and scenes in OBS Studio should now be restored and visible in your workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.